up guys, it's Nash and welcome to another episode of Nash Nish Vlog. So if you're new to our channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell. Today's video will be focusing on the sticker and stationery items haul from both the BGC Art Mart and also the We Art Market event. As a sticker business owner myself for feelgood.co, I'm so glad that I was given the opportunity to meet new artists and also see their work in person. So beginning with the products that I was able to get from the BGC Art Mart, I purchased items from 5 different shops and I visited the BGC Art Mart last May 29. It was my first time purchasing items from Sabgid. I love her art style. It's digital with watercolor style. So I got the Sweet Dreams sticker sheet. This is matte laminated. This is another matte laminated sheet. This is the road trip sheet. I spent 160 in this store. I also got a cute sticker flake of one of her original characters. Next, we have the items that I purchased from dimples.ph. I've always bought products from her, mostly stickers though, and this is my first time buying a washi tape. This is the Blooming Days washi tape. It was cheaper in her physical store. The pattern is so nice. This is 150 pesos. Freebies. These are like postage stamps. And next, I bought a lot of mini sticker sheets. This is the first one. It's like the size of a sampler. This is also cheaper at only 40 pesos. This is matte laminated. That's what it looks like when the butterfly is peeled. Very exact cuts, which I really appreciate. This is another item, but this one is in glossy laminate. This is more vibrant in comparison to the matte laminated products. I got another matte laminated sticker sheet. I don't know what aesthetic you call this, but very cute. I see this a lot on Instagram. This is matte laminated. There is another butterfly. The cuts of this sticker sheet are more rounded. I got a Tamagotchi themed sticker sheet, but this is called Pixel Pals. This is only 60 pesos when you buy it from her physical shop. This is a holographic laminated sticker. So beautiful. There is this unreleased sticker sheet. So this one is in glitter laminate, which is my favorite laminate of all time. My Feel Good friends know this. Shout out to Feel Good. Cute cuts. It says Cottage Fantasies. And then last but not least, I got this playground pack. It's bigger than the sticker sheets that I showed you before. And it's also a bit pricier. This was 80 pesos. The finish of this is in matte laminate, but it has paint glitter too. You can find little glitter spots. It was everything I bought from dimples.ph. I spent a total of 510 pesos. More purchases in the future for sure. The third shop that I purchased items from is Paper Diet. This shop is very popular for its branding. I got a set of 4 sticker sheets. These are season based. There's winter, autumn, summer, and spring. I also got another sticker sheet. Sushi themed. This is so cute. And what's really cool about these stickers is that I have never seen this type of finish before. This is said to be waterproof. It also seems durable and I'm looking forward to using it. I also got a calling card. Thank you for the freebies. These freebies are glossy. Sushi sticker sheet is 60 pesos. The set of 4 sticker sheets for the seasons cost me 120. So I spent 180 there. The next shop that I bought stickers from is jfellostraits.ph. So I got this Mystica Stationery Set. This was only 100 pesos and I thought that it was such a steal. There are so many inclusions. So there's this Mystica glossy photo print, some scrapbooking paper, an original art print. It's like a postcard at the back. 3 different sticker sheets, all in matte finish. 1, 2, and 3. So if you get these items individually, I think it will cost you over 200. This set was so solid. There are even wax seal stamps included. There were also candies, but then I removed it already. This was a freebie that I got. And last but not the least is this notepad from Studio Don Don. Very cute, very pastel, and I think this is supposed to be Mount Fuji. I don't know how many sheets there are, but it looks pretty thick. And this is a shop logo freebie. So this notepad, which costs 90 pesos, is the last thing that I purchased from the BGC Art Mart. Ta-da! Since I am done showing everything that I bought from the BGC Art Mart, I am now going to show you the things that I purchased from We Art Market. So there were a lot more stalls, a lot more products as well. Let's begin! So the first shop that I bought items from was Ali Rosero's store. I was so attracted to these sticker sheets because they come in in my favorite finish, and I also really like purples, blues, and pinks. I got this online shopping sticker sheet. Each of her sticker sheets cost 99 pesos. I love the quality. Then I also got this Spellbound sticker sheet. This is the Happy Day washi tape. Pattern is super nice. Super good vibes. The washi tape, since it cost 160, I spent a total of 358 pesos in her physical booth. The next store I bought items from is Hayla Designs. Each of her sticker sheets only cost 35 pesos. These are in matte vinyl. Got the butterfly sticker sheet. Also got constellation stamps for all the zodiac signs. Lovely. Next is Heart Cheek Studios. So many of you guys may already be familiar with this popular shop for their Korean drama and Korean group products. I got a lot of stickers. Prices were cheaper than the Shopee prices. I got this fancy twice sticker set. This is what the stickers look like individually. This is matte laminated waterproof vinyl. So very good quality. It should be very durable. I got this for only 50 pesos. Got this Kill This Love sticker set for Blackpink naman. This is what the stickers look like individually. Same finish as the fancy stickers. And from 129, I got this for 50 as well. Itsy stickers. I love this comeback of theirs. Super iconic. Instead of the original price of also 129, I got these for 50. These are the stickers that you will get. Super cute. It's their dancing position pa nga eh. This is the 25-21 sticker set. This is more expensive. I think it's because this is a new K-drama. Koyurin Beikiji Naido Moonjiwoong Jisungwan. One of my favorite K-dramas over time. And instead of paying 129 pesos to get this set, I only paid 80 pesos. I got a sticker sheet. So this is the Our Beloved Summer sticker sheet. This is so cute. It's the shadows of the trees pa. This was only 50 pesos. Moving on to the next shop. This shop isn't actually a stationery shop, but I got a friendship bracelet to match with my lovely friends who accompanied me. QR code that you can scan to get to the Instagram account of this shop. Super nice, only 70 pesos. Next, I made a purchase from the Art of Mart. I like the sticker sheet so much because it's so vibrant and so colorful. There's even a CD player playing a BTS album CD. There's a frog lamp. See, there's so many cute things. I don't know how she can think of these. These are so creative. This is 90 pesos and it comes in a laminated glossy finish, so I think that this is waterproof. Once again, I bought items from Sadly, her business card. She gave me 2 sticker freebies because I made 2 separate transactions. Thank you. I got a Luna the Artist sticker sheet. This is matte laminated. Worth your money to get this sticker sheet since there's so many stickers. Next, I got this sticker bundle. I thought I was dreaming when I bought this because I asked how much is this. She said 80 pesos and I said how many stickers are inside, what's included, and then she said 10 sticker sheets. Wow, doesn't it feel like such a deal? These are her old sticker sheets, that's why they're so much cheaper. It's 8 pesos per sticker sheet. These sheets are from before her rebranding. This is the format of her sticker sheets now. Witching Hour and glitter finish, Island Life and glossy laminated finish, headers and banners, glossy laminated finish, seashells also in the same finish as the sheet before, Maya the Mermaid matte laminated finish, and weekly seashells matte laminated, cozy day in glitter, Ghibli washi strips in glitter as well, Star Candies in glitter, and Ghibli Monsters in glitters. I also really like this kind of packaging. So nice, so sleek. Next, I got the Forest Mail bundle. I saw this on her Instagram account that she was selling these in a limited amount. So this is 300 pesos. There are washi tape samplers. If you want to try her washi tapes and you do not want to buy full rolls, then this is the perfect thing. I got this Chill Morning sticker sheet in glitter. Yes, I love glitter. You got pretty foliages in glossy laminate, Tiny Forest matte laminated sticker sheet. This is super cute. I really like this. And then I got cafe letters in glitter finish as well. There is an art print that is included, and it also serves as a postcard. Forest meal talaga. If there's one thing I know about myself, it is that I cannot leave a bazaar without buying something that I want to buy, if I have the money to buy it. Luckily, that was the case for this event. So the last item that I got from the We Art Market event is from After Thursdays. 75 pesos only. This is a glossy sticker sheet. It says their Hello Weekend Goals, Tasks, Work. This is one of the cutest sheets that I've seen for functional words that you can really use. So thank you so much, After Thursdays. This is the last item that I got from the We Art Market Market event. Thank you so much to everyone who watched this vlog, and thank you also so much to all the artists who are super nice and to all the artists that we met. So I hope that everyone can continue supporting local artists and local businesses because they really make nice items that are high quality and the experience is overall really great. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the notification bell button below to get notified every single time you upload a new vlog. So once again, this is Nash, and thank you so much for watching my sticker and stationery haul, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!